TIMTOS, one of the leading machine tool exhibition in Taiwan, is just 45 days away. We are at IMTEX, where TAMI, the Taiwan Machinery Association, Machine Tool Association,
Yes.
is having their stall at Hall 1B. A lot of Taiwanese companies are exhibiting here. So I'm having with me Jules. He's the director of TAITRA in Chennai, the South Indian he takes care. And it was before a couple of years, I also been to Taiwan, the TIMTOS Expo. So that time I was very much amazed to see. I used to participate in IMTEX. I used to visit IMTEX.
Yes.
And the kind of machines what we had, that time the kind of machines what I seen in Taiwan was so big, so massive, so huge. But things have changed. There are so many Taiwanese companies who are coming and working with India. They have supported the Indian manufacturing, and every year they take a lot of Indian business delegation to Taiwan to show how Taiwanese machine tool can help the Indian manufacturing. Jules, welcome to Machine Maker. So, can you tell about TIMTOS 2025?
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Namaste. This is my honor to present you the TIMTOS show 2025. TIMTOS show this year is the 30th anniversary of TIMTOS. This is one of the biggest this kind of show in machine tools in Asia. And the most important is since so many years, the supply chain has been reshaped, and India become a very important market to all the Taiwanese. I would like to give you some figure that last year, the 2024, Taiwan and India has been surpassed 10.6 billion US dollar as our trade, bilateral trade. And many important part of this is the machines. And Taiwan is good at the machine, and India is a place you can, a lot of things are making in India. We make in India. So right now, the global supply chain has been reshaped. So TIMTOS is one of the most important show you should go. Right now I'm in IMTEX. It's also a very nice event, and we see Taiwan this year is the biggest the country participant in this show. It also shows that how much Taiwanese is focused on India market right now. And so I think India can also benefit from our machines, especially in this TIMTOS show, which we are conducting AI and all the new robotics and new solution into this show. And you can see the giant machine like we spoke about. So I'm very happy to introduce this show to you. It's in March 3rd to 8th this year. So welcome to TIMTOS. And most important, you can contact us, the Taipei World Trade Center in Chennai, for every information you needed.
The kind of collaboration India and Taiwan had for decades.
Yes.
Many Indian manufacturers have taken their first CNC machine is Taiwanese machine. That is the kind of relationship we have. But as I told you, the things have changed, bigger collaboration.
I give you a very interesting things. Since this year, Taiwanese and India getting more closer. Right now we have the first Ganesha temple in Taipei. I just heard that. It's very interesting. So it means there are more and more Indians now receive and work in Taiwan, work for Taiwan, or work for India but in Taiwan. So I can see the
Synergy coming.
Synergy, the bilateral familiar with each other. I think this is fantastic.
TAITRA is one such organization which is very proactive when it comes to promotion of industry. So, what are the major steps TAITRA do here to support Indian manufacturing?
Yes. For the 60% of Taiwanese investment is in the south, and TAITRA office in Chennai, we cover the south. So that means most of the Taiwanese investors, when they come to India, they come to us. They will have their very premature survey of the market from us. They need the clients. They need the market. So we are like the first base for them to penetrate the market, and we provide information for Indian customers. Every year we invite them for our trade shows in Taipei, like this TIMTOS. Like this TIMTOS, we invite them, we provide them incentives, like tickets or accommodations, all many things so on. And we will match them with the right counterparts. That's what we do in Taipei and here. So we are the portal you can visit. You can come through us, and you can get the most of every benefit you wanted.
So that's what I told. TAITRA is very proactive in their approach. It is not just association or a government agency. They try to take steps to bridge the gap. Try to bring both these people together to benefit. They understand the manufacturing is very important for their economy, and they work on that. We will be there at TIMTOS.
Yes, our
most
team will be
positively.
there.
Yeah.
My team will
From
be
3
there.
to 8.
Yes,
March. And we will be coming out with some stories. And if you have not yet planned to go to TIMTOS, and this is the time that you can get in touch with TAITRA. I don't know now also if it is open for the incentives, as you told. They give one-way tickets. You can go there. They give you accommodation, and they, understanding your requirement, they will also try to connect with the right partner there. Thank you, Jules,
Thank you,
for
Harry.
giving all this information.
Yes.
And we see that there should be a lot of collaborations. Like he told, the Delta, one of the biggest
Yes.
manufacturer, they may be, they are also giving CNC controllers to the Indian machine tool builders, and they have set up their manufacturing base here. So as he told that in South, there are so many Taiwanese companies coming and setting up their manufacturing facility. Jules, I wish you all the best, and
Thank you, Harry.
we will meet more and more often.
Yeah.
Taiwan excellent!